So I'm buying this and losing money so you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you guys see me, then welcome. I'm Sarali, beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video, I was gonna dress a little bit more chic, but chic currently from the wardrobe I have means that you'll freeze. We can't. To look good and to not freeze right now, it's impossible. So we're staying with this, but I got out my wedding nails. Like, these are the nails that I'm planning to get married with, so that's how special this video is to me. And we came out with a little eye moment makeup because I was like, this is too special for me to not come out with like something very beautiful, to like just come with natural makeup on. Nah. That's not how we're gonna make it work today. So, one, nails are from Odora, if anyone is interested, in the description box down below. Two, let's get into it. Today, the Feel 22 Luxe package has been with me for about a week and I've been dying to open it. I still haven't seen it, and we're gonna get into it. So that's the little package. Should I tear this apart? I really feel like it. I really feel like this is Christmas for me. Makeup is Christmas to me. If I don't look good, that's because, quite honestly, with these nails, it's impossible to do these. Like, usually rhinestones, with my own nails, I usually can't do them, yet alone with these. We want to see if it's worth it. We want to see if it's worth your money, because it's not that inexpensive for something that is a mini size. So these are the mini. Quite honestly, they look like a decent size. One thing I did see was the color, because sometimes they like to send the wrong shades. When it comes to brows, I have a very bad history with them when it comes to brows. They always send the wrong shade, so thankfully they sent the right one. It was dark brown, that's what I chose. And while I'm opening the package, I'm gonna, like, there's no need for me to tell you what this is, right? Like, Anastasia is not really a brand that, you know, you should be talking about who it is and what it is and all of these things. So, when they first came out with this little kit, like, they came out with multiple products from Anastasia, and that's the first one I was, like, in love with. And I didn't want to get, I wanted to get it, but I didn't want to get it because I was like, and that's what made me mostly buy it, because I was like, it's a waste of money for the mini. But then I was like, oh wait, no, great, I'm getting the mini one. So this comes with a little manual to talk about everything from the mascara to the brows. We're not gonna be able to try the mini brow gel because I already have So Brows on, so I'm not really gonna do that. But we are gonna test the brow pencils and the mascara. We got them all out, so we're gonna try them. I'm super excited. I haven't had an Anastasia product for such a long time, so I'm super excited about this. So I'm gonna, I don't remember which one is which one is for what. The finer is the shade. Okay, let me open them, because at the end I'm gonna open them. Oh, that's the spoolie part. Okay, the spoolies are nice. These are big spoolies. Okay, I like that. I like a nice spoolie. It's my shade, yes. Oh, that's where it stops? That's the only amount of product you get? That's the only amount of product you get. Can you guys see it? That's all you get. Ugh, disappointed. Like, if it was $1 rate like before, then I wouldn't really have cared. But to only get this much, that's all you get. That's all you get. Okay. So you need to be very careful. Very careful, because you had a very small amount. So I'm just gonna close it because I don't want it to break. I'll literally cry if it's gonna break, so I'm just gonna keep it a tiny bit. And like my brows are already good, so I'm just gonna... Let me see the shade first. This takes time. Yeah, the shade is nice. I'm kind of heartbroken. I thought at least it was gonna be twice this size. I didn't think it was gonna be only that much. But okay, no, it's my shade. It's a tiny bit lighter, but it shouldn't be like that dark either. Like I already have such dark brows, so the last thing you want is just break brow. So let me try it on this side. Like my heart is breaking with every stroke because I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm like, this is a waste. Like at least if I was going somewhere, then okay, at least it's useful, but I'm like not going anywhere, so it's breaking my heart. But till now, I like the shade, I really do. I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of the brow definer. I really like how it's a triangular shape. So if you wanna like draw the bottom, if you don't have that much brows, unlike me, then this helps. This definitely helps. I love how the product glides on the skin. So you can use a definer to fill in your brows. Okay, but I'm gonna stop because I'm just gonna cry. I'm seriously gonna cry. I was expecting, you know, when they say mini, you're like, okay, mini, but it's not mini. Then it's like, it's literally baby makeup. Like, like this is not something that satisfies me in any way. Like the spoolie is bigger for F's sakes. The spoolie is bigger, like it's gonna make me cry. I was so excited for this and now I'm just like, oh my god, like, is it a waste of money? I mean, if I compare to the dollar rate, no. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, we'll see at the end of the day, you know? Follow me on Instagram if you want to see how long this will last, because I will share the day that this dies. Okay, so this video was longer than I thought it was gonna be. Like, just the intro and unboxing the product was longer, so that's why there's two parts for this video. So if you want to watch these two products, what I think of them, then part 2 will be up next week or the week after that, one of both. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to turn the notification post on so that you'll be notified when that video will be up. And now we're reviewing the eyebrow pencils from Anastasia. So you guys know how disappointed I was when I realized that there wasn't a lot of product inside of these, and they kind of lasted. Not really, kind of lasted. This is the Brow Wiz. That's how much I have left product. The other day I was using it, I was like, ooh, really? Thank you. And that's how much I still have from the Brow Definer. The Brow Definer definitely lasts a lot more than the other one. Obviously, there's kind of more product. But in case you guys want to know the colors, I'm going to show you a side-by-side with the Brow Wiz, the medium brown. I have dark brown, so just in case you guys want to actually see the difference in the colors. So this is medium brown. I can still pull off this, and this is dark brown. So medium brown, dark brown, that's the side by side so that you guys can see it. I kind of can pull medium brown, maybe with a little bit of dark brow shadow so that it kind of blends well, but like the undertone is well for me, so I think I can definitely pull this off. Now, what do I think of these products? It's not gonna be long. I like both. Will I repurchase them? It's not that there's anything wrong with them, it's just that, you know, like many people were saying, the NYX, it's a dupe for the Brow Wiz, so I want to try that and kind of compare them to each other one day. I already have a few pencils I need to try. But let's, for example, this is, just in case you guys want to know, this is Cold Brew from Morphe. Yeah, okay, it's buildable. And the color kind of comes between both of these, kind of between the medium brown and the dark brown. And I can actually pull off this one. Looks very natural on me. This is just kind of a reference if you guys ever want to get any of these products. There's going to be a review for the Morphe. I got the whole arch set, so there's going to be a review for that. For example, the Morphe, the Anastasia. Yeah, they're kind of the same width. The Morphe kind of looks a teeny tiny bit, like a teeny bit more
Slim.
like a teeny bit, not much. I think these products are great. They last on the brows. They look so natural. They are buildable. They look amazing on the brows. Very natural. You can build them how much that you want to, and the colors are nice. You know, the colors really look like how they look like on the website. It's not like you see a color on the website and then you get a completely different color. Like, no, they look similar. They last. They don't exactly budge. Like, okay, I don't have anything on my hand. Like, look at that. Look at that. Ow, that hurts. Yeah, it's kind of budging, but like not really. Second of all, no one's gonna do that to their brows, you know? Like, impossible that you're gonna do that to your brows. Okay, yeah, it's not, yeah, no. No. يعني شوي قلشت بس that's it. That's fucking good. That's good. Both the Morphe and the Anastasia are kind of reacting alike. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. So yeah, they don't budge. Are they waterproof? Do we want to test if it's waterproof? Wait, I want to test. I want to know. I always want to know new things. Water. Okay, no, definitely not waterproof. Nope, not waterproof. No, not waterproof. They went away immediately with the water. But I mean, yeah, that's just for us to know, like just a little experiment. But they're nice and they don't budge. I think they're amazing. They last, they look stunning the entire day. They don't budge, obviously, no one's gonna
Rub them.
I guess that's everything I have to say. I apologize really deeply that this video took me so much time to film. Ugh, too busy this summer, too busy. Too many things to do and not enough time to do them, so I'm really sorry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that this video can actually reach more people, and comment down below if you have this, if you like it, what do you think of it. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video.